Hey there, welcome back to the channel. You're going to learn how to design a vintage motorcycle logo using Adobe Illustrator, especially when we're starting from a hand-drawn sketch. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome design tips. Don't forget to check out my other videos for even more creative inspiration. Let's keep creating together, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.